President-elect Donald Trump has stated his intention to release remaining classified documents related to the assassinations of John F. Kennedy, Robert F. Kennedy, and Martin Luther King Jr. While Trump made a similar pledge during his first term, he ultimately withheld some documents due to national security concerns. The extent and timing of the upcoming release remain to be seen. Here are some key points in this regard. Trump pledged during his campaign to disclose more files, echoing his earlier term's incomplete effort to release all John F. Kennedy-related records. However, his decision to hold back certain files previously was attributed to national security concerns raised by the CIA and FBI. While the promise includes records on John F. Kennedy, Robert Kennedy, and Martin Luther King Jr., it's uncertain whether this will lead to a full declassification or selective disclosures. The assassinations of these pivotal figures remain deeply controversial, particularly John F. Kennedy's death. Although the official narratives attribute it to a lone gunman, conspiracy theories about larger plots persist. Public opinion often favors the idea of deeper, undisclosed involvement by various entities. As a close relative of two of the victims, Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s allegations of CIA involvement have fueled skepticism about the official versions of events. His position as Trump's Health and Human Services Secretary designate adds a layer of complexity to these disclosures. The release of these documents, if substantial and unredacted, could reignite debates challenging historical accounts or even vindicate long-standing theories. However, the lack of a guarantee for complete transparency may lead to further scrutiny of Trump's decisions and the document's contents. What do you think might come from such a disclosure? Why are so many John F. Kennedy assassination files still classified? Despite several releases, some John F. Kennedy assassination files remain classified, ostensibly for national security reasons. Agencies like the CIA and FBI argue that revealing certain information could compromise sources, methods, and ongoing operations. Critics, however, contend that this secrecy fuels conspiracy theories and hinders a full understanding of the events surrounding the assassination.